Warning: this technology has been kept guarded by electric car manufacturers in the past. But now the secret is out and I show you how to cut at least 70% of the power bill. I've created this page to explain how one could take advantage of technology and produce their own energy. Here's a summary on what will be covered. How much money this system will save. Is it hard to build this system? What are the costs for building such device? What if I have a limited space in my house? Where I can install this device? Does it makes any noise? If you like, please subscribe. The questions above are the reason most would not consider building this device anytime soon. This technology is based on a technology in the latest electric vehicles that can safely tell a lot of electrical energy in a small space. 1. The design was made to be simple, so no one would have problems putting it together. 2. Total construction cost is less than $200. Most people will be able to build one for less than $90 using parts they already have in their homes. 3. The savings are available right after you plug this device into your grid. If you want to learn this technology in detail, please click the link below the video. You will gradually learn this technology, thereby saving at least 70% of electricity bills. The main learning contents of this technology are as follows. Module number 1. Tools and materials. Most important thing for every project is knowing what tools and materials are required. This will cut the endless trips made to the hardware store. Module number 2. Assembling the cell modules. If you ever assembled Lego before, this step is very similar and fun to do. Module number 3. Testing and sorting cells. You will learn how to find which cells can still be used and which ones are dead and unusable. Usually more than 85% of the cells can be reused successfully. Module number 4. Assembling a battery management system. You get to learn how to safely charge and discharge these cells by using the right system, which automatically takes care of charging the modules with the right voltage. If you want to learn this technology in detail, please click the link below the video. If you like, please subscribe.